Hello CMS students, if you're new here, please like, share, subscribe. So we'll continue here short problems of financial accounting. So let's begin with calculation here. If you're new here, please like the button and hit the bell icon for notification. Subscribe our channel for more financial accounting and other short problems, calculations. We will no need to worry about the calculations of all problems. So just follow my channel regularly. I will update it. So let's begin our class. So here it is some final short problems. So Prasad purchased a mission on hair purchase system from the following made by him. So Prasad purchased a mission on a hair purchase system from the following we were made by him. After signing the agreement, so rupees 20,000. So after signing the agreement, whenever the purchase is happen, so it signed the 20,000 rupees amount. At the end of the first year, 15,000 paid, and the end of the second year, 15,000, and end of the third year, 10,000. Interest charged is 10,000. So interest is charged 10%. So from the above information, find out the cash price. So we calculated here cash price. Whenever cash price is not available, so whenever his cash price is not given, calculation of cash price is we calculated how to calculate the cash price. So sometimes in the problems we did not hide the cash price. So we need to calculate it at the end of the year transaction. So end of the year is third year. So 10,000 he paid. So why we call it interest divided by 10 is because so the procedure, this is the procedure for calculation, find out the cash price or before the interest. So let me explain that. Sometimes in the question the cash price is not given, the asset account cannot be debited. So that's the reason the more than cash price of the assets. So it becomes essentially to find out the cash price first. So essentially to find out the cash price first before solving such type of question. The procedure to calculate cash price is to take up the final installment. So in final installment first, and to deduct the interest from it, and to deduct interest. So and deduct interest from it. So interest is can be calculated by 1 year multiplied by the sum of end of the years. So end of the year. So that way rate of interest divided by 100 into rate of interest. For example, so here it is. We see the 10. So 10 interest is charged is 10. So divided by, we add it 100. So divided by 100. So 110. 100 plus 10, that is equal to 110. So 10 by 110. 10 by 110. 10 by 110. So 0.09. So that like this we calculated here on 10 log sub. So last installment we calculated end of the last installment 10,000 divided into 10 by 110. So 909 is the interest of the third year installment. So we need third year installment. So less. So 10,000 is less because 10,000 minus 909 interest. So amount is 909. This is the cash price of the third year. So third year cash price. So third year cash price. So we will add it into second year. 15,000 is paid installment in 2nd year. So this is the procedure. Whenever cash price is not given in the problem, we need to calculate it first, because cash price must be debited with the more than cash price of the asset. So cash price will be more than will be added, more than will be debited, more than in the asset price, also more than the asset price. So more than the asset price. So that is the procedure. Whenever calculation of cash price is asked, so rate of interest divided by 100 into the installment amount. So installment amount is last end of the year, end of the last installment 10,000 divided into 10 by 110, that is equal to 909. So less installment price. So we got 909 is the cash price. So 909 is the third year cash flow. So next same again we calculated here 15,000. So second is we will continue in the reverse part. So we will continue the reverse part. $15,000 into what is interest time divided by 110. So like this directly it's a mistake. So because you must add the third year installment. So we all are included. So 15,000 plus 991, 2,491. If now we will calculate it interest 200. So into 10 by 110, 2090. So 201, 221, 2190. So same again we add it here. So now we subtracted as like third year 15,000. Amount is 2190. So subtracted this 15,000 plus 2190. So we got 36901 into 10 by 110, that is equal to 335. So you calculate rounded off 3,355. So finally we got 3,300 because we added 21901 plus 3355. Sorry, 36 interest will calculate it here. 36901 minus 3355. So we got 33,546. 33,546 of the first year installment. First year cash price. So total we added. So you know total how do all years cash price. All year cash price 9091 plus 21901 plus 33,546 plus 6434. So minus 20,000 down payment. Sorry. Add it 9091. Total added 21,901. Be careful while calculations. 46. So wrong calculations. So sorry, don't, that's a lot of students are mistaken like this. So no need to calculate the end of the first year total 33,546 plus 20,000. This is the right answer. End of the last first year installment we calculated. Forgot about all last. Don't add the continuously cash price. Only down payment is only added. Down payment is only added because 20,000 first type down payment is added. So otherwise we calculation of cash price is wrong. So this is the way of procedure. End of the last installment we calculated. Otherwise you cannot find out the cash price. It must be deducted from the asset price. So asset price is 53,546. This is the cash price of the actual cash price of the machine. So 53,000. So here it is main formula. Cash price is the principal amount. So principal amount will deduct. This is the principal amounts. Cash price principal amount. So we need to calculate principal amount. This is the principal amount. So finally this one 33,546 added down payment. So we calculated here. So next problem in the royalty related short problem. Andhra Coal Limited leased a colliery on 1st 1988 to Mr. Shekhar at minimum rent is 15,000 per annum, merging into royalty of rupees per ton with the stipulation of recoup for short workings over the first 3 years. So of the lease, the output of the first 4 years of the lease is 8,000, 10,000, 20,000 respectively. If I prepare the short workings account in the books of Mr. Shaker. Solution. So here it is 1988, 88,000 first 4 year 8,000, 13,000. This is the actual royalty. We multiplied with 1. So into 1, into 1, into 1, into 1. So we calculated minimum rate. So deducted 7,000 short workings, 15,000. So same again third year 3,000 should not be recovered. On the end of the 1991 he can be recovered. So 15,000 is paid to the lender. So paid to the lessor. So here it is lease. So we calculated lease. Paid to lease the lessor. So that's all. If you like it, so subscribe to our channel for more practical problems, calculations, all subjects coming up. So please follow my channel and subscribe to our channel. So let us then go some example here. So 3 problems we will discuss here, and this is an interest calculated example in the hire purchase also. An asset is purchased on a hire purchase system. Ascertain the amount of interest including 3 installment on the basis of following information. So initial payment 1 lakh. So balance of the 3 installment at each is end of the year is. So end of the each year is 1 lakh. Rate of interest is given. So 15%. No need to calculate, worry about that. So already remaining 70,000. So 70,000. So rate of interest equal to 10,000. So cash price is 3,30,000 already here. So no need to remove the cash price. So 33 lakhs. So balance of the each installment is 15%. So 15% that is equal to 330,000. So we remove that already. So 3,30,000. So remove 30,000. We got 3 lakhs. That is equal to 3 lakhs. Remaining 3 lakhs. So initial payment 1 lakh. Remove the 2,30,000. 2,30,000. 35,000. So 1 lakh. So 2 lakhs. So we got, so total amount installment is 3,30,000 already. 3,30,000 minus, so initial payment, so 2,30,000. So remaining 70,000. This is the total balance of the 3 installment. So balance of the 3 installment. So now we will calculate it here. 70,000 interest, 70,000 of balance we will find out the interest. So interest will be calculated 70,000. 70,000 is the first installment. So 15%. So 15. So 70,000 we calculate 15%. So 1 by 15. 70,000 into 15 divided by 115. Yes. So a lot of students mistake like this. No need to calculate for that. So remaining balance 70,000 we need to calculate what is the first year installment. So here first year installment we calculated to 2,30,000 is the remaining balance, remaining installment. So 15%. So this is the principal amount, total principal amount so far. So we need to calculate it here. So here it is 3,400, 2,4675. So to add it we get is, so remaining 70,000. So this is the 10,085. How to get it is, so 3,500 plus 2,465 plus 10,825. So this is the problem. So total 70,000, 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs we find out the cash price. This is the actual cash price. Of the machine, actual price of the machine. Cash price equal to down payment, initial payment plus interest. So interest equal down payment, here it is, the down payment is 1 lakh. So remove here this down lakh, that is equal to 2,30,000. Initial payment 1 lakh, that is 1,30,000. So remaining 70,000 of the interest, so remove it. So we get 30,000, so calculated here. Hope you understand this problem. So when interest calculated, example in hire purchases. So we covered 3 problems. If you like it, subscribe to our channel for more information. We calculate first 3 years of installment balance is 1 lakh. So first 3 years installment balance. So 1 lakh is 30,000. So less 30,000. So that will equal to 70,000. We calculated only on 70,000 because balance remaining 3 installment is 70,000 only, 15%. 17,000. No need to interest, rate of interest. So now rate of interest is calculated. So 20,000. So calculated, we find out each year installment is balance is remaining balance is 10,000, 3,000, 34,500, 24,675, 10,825. Of this 70,000. So we already know the interest amount. Here it is. That's it. So we need to calculate here each year, 3 years, first year, second year, third year. So that is, we calculate here third year, fourth, second year, first year. We calculate 70,000. So total cash price of machine is 3 lakhs. So 30,000 is the initial payment, is the down payment, initial payment, not a 1 lakh. Here it is. That is the way calculated here. So like it, subscribe. Thanks for watching.